see the black one inside the chamber? That is cake. Cake is made from a carbon deposit that remains after tobacco has been smoked. This cake is made from carbon from the tobacco. It will protect your pipe from burning out and your pipe will last longer then. You can easily create a cake inside your bowl. You just have to smoke it maybe for about 7 times and it will create by itself. Oftentimes, the cake will build up too much, so you have to clean it a little bit, but make sure that you don't clean it all because it takes time to make the cake. So just scrub a little bit like that and clean it a little, and yeah, it's good to go.